Hey, what's up guys? Devin here from SiteMonkey. Today I want to show you an AI domain name generator that I've built that actually will enable you to search for domains for your business using AI or artificial intelligence. All right, so let's get into it. So the first thing that you want to do is to go to sitemonkey.com/AI-domain-name-generator. I'm going to add the link in the description below so you can easily learn to this application. Okay, so a domain name is the address people are going to type to visit your website, like google.com or yahoo.com or your brand.com, right? So it's your brand's first impression. And generally, a great domain should be easy to remember, easy to spell, reflect your brand, and ideally short and very clean. Okay, so if you already have a name for your business, you probably just want to go to sitemonkey.com/domain checker here, okay, and then just type in your business and then just search. All right, but if you're looking for something a little bit creative, you don't already have a business or whatever, then the best thing that you want to do is to use this AI domain name generator. So under this text box here, the business description, enter your business description, an idea that you probably have, and you just want to test it out. So let's see, maybe I'm trying to start up a washing bay. So a car washing bay, right? Car washing bay, something like that. All right, and then you can choose some keywords here, but you can skip this, that's optional. Industry is also optional, but if you're specifically looking at finance or health or travel or fashion or real estate, then you can choose from these options here. Okay, and then of course you can now just click on generate domain names. All right, so it takes about roughly 30 seconds to 60 seconds, so you need to be patient. But after that, we have a couple of suggestions here. For example, we have WashWave, and it's going to give you a suggestion and an explanation as to how it came to that name. So for example, here we have WashWave, and says this name is memorable, easy to spell, evoking the refreshing motion of water waves while directly relating to car washing, making it ideal for a quick and dynamic service. So you can see its reasoning behind the name that it generated. So you can keep scrolling here. We have clean drive, and actually I can also just see through and see that, yeah, actually the names really make sense. Okay, there's Shine Hub, totally makes sense. This is catchy, concise name suggests a central hub for, car shining, directly tying into business while being simple and memorable for repeat visits. So yeah, it totally looks good. There's auto splash and then pure wash and so forth, right? So actually these are also like business names, but in this case, I'm generally concentrating on domain names. Behind the scenes, it's using AI models to actually suggest these names. So let's check out something like auto splash, right? So tap on check availability here, okay, which then loads up the previous tool if you've been using SiteMonkey to check for domain availability. Of course, this is not available. Auto splash is a premium domain, but let's see what happens. And it says that this domain is already registered because, of course, it's premium domain, It has auto and splash, and these are two word combinations. Both of them are in English, and the chances of this being available are very rare. But I want to bring your attention to this section, which shows available alternative domains. This is where it shows the other top level domains, TLDs, of the same domain name, right? So if .com is not available, and chances are it's not available, then you can just check out these other TLDs here, like .org or .io, .co, .info, .biz, .app, .dev, .tech, and so forth, right? Yes, so if you land on something that you probably think is really awesome, of course it shows you the price and the purchase price and the renewal price. You can go ahead and register. Now, this is done at name.com, which I absolutely recommend. It's a great registrar. And yeah, so there you go. It's right here. Okay, so you can now just go ahead and actually add to cart and continue with that checkout flow, right? Yes. So that is how awesome and simple this tool is. Okay. Yeah, so just describe your business name and it's just going to give you suggestions. Now, after the suggestions are given, you still have to do an extra step to check for availability of that suggestion, right? So, yeah. Now, to sum it all up, I've also included a domain name buying checklist. This is essentially a checklist for people that are, just trying to buy a domain. So what do you need to consider before you buy a domain? And I've put for you a very simple and quick checklist. For example, brand and clarity. We talked about this. The domain has to be brandable, easy to spell and pronounce, short and scannable, no hyphens and numbers and stuff. It should be feature rich, keyword rich. Then we have availability checks here. I list for you the tools here that you can actually use to do domain searches, even a trademark check. Then we have a TLD strategy and so forth. So it's right here. I'm going to leave the link in the description below to this Google document, which is a domain name buying checklist. All right. Yes, but for now, go ahead and try out our AI domain name generator and let me know what you think in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and if you found value in this video, go ahead and click the like button. Also subscribe to this channel if you're looking to tips, tricks, guides, tools for managing your website easily. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.